And the reason I am on fire, Wondrous Wind Rising Up Magnolia's Classic. It's now Magnolia's Classic followed by I Am on Fire. Racing on the outside, Wondrous Wind. Moving up is Big Packet. Down on the inside is Armory, Salin Lahi. Dico Akalain racing on the further outside. Then comes Supercharged Erica's Chump. And rounding the far turn, Magnolia's Classic by about 2 lengths. I Am on Fire. Wondrous Wind racing on the outside by the Relics Armory. Salin Lahi, Dico Akalain as they race the final corner. Magnolia's Classic by about 2 lengths, followed by I Am on Fire. Armory Danori inside, Wondrous Wind rushing up, Dico Akalain, Salin Lahi, and Big Packet. And nearing the finish line, number 14, Magnolia's Classic. Second, Wondrous Wind, Salin Lahi, Dico Akalain, I Am on Fire, and Armory Super 6.